In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a travel intro animation with a text reveal in Canva. This is perfect if you're making travel vlogs, YouTube intros, Instagram Reels, or cinematic travel videos, and you want a clean, animated opening without any advanced editing skills. Canva makes this super easy, even if you're a complete beginner. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Log in to your Canva account or sign up for free if you don't already have one. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click on the Create button. From the available options, select Videos. This will show you different video formats, so choose the type of video you want based on where you'll be posting it, like YouTube, Instagram, or a custom size. Next, use the search bar to look for a travel-style video template or any intro animation template that fits your vibe. When you find one you like, click on it and select it to open in the editor. Now, we're going to customize the template. Start by clicking on the existing text elements in the design. Select the text and delete it. Repeat this process for all the text layers you don't need until the canvas is clean and ready for your own content. Once the old text is removed, go to the Text tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Add a Text box and type in your own travel intro text, like your channel name, destination, or travel series title. After typing your text, increase the font size so it stands out clearly on screen. Then click and drag the text to position it exactly where you want, usually near the top or center for a strong intro look. Now comes the animation part. With the text selected, click on the Animate button at the top. Canva will show you different animation styles. Choose a text reveal animation that matches the travel aesthetic you're going for. Something smooth and cinematic works really well here. Once selected, press the play button to preview the animation and see how your intro looks in motion. Watch it carefully and adjust the text size, position, or animation style if needed. When you're happy with the final result, your travel intro animation with text reveal is ready to use. You can now download it and add it to your travel videos or post it directly on social media. And that's it. You've successfully created a travel intro animation with a text reveal in a Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Canva tutorials.